Best Monzo shortcuts you didn't know about? Ever stared at the Monzo app wishing you could do that one specific thing faster? Maybe you just need to check your balance or quickly move money without digging through 3 different menus. Well, I've been a Monzo user for years, and I want to share the best, most time-saving shortcuts I've discovered, the ones that are genuinely game-changing for day-to-day banking. I'm talking about shortcuts that cut the fluff and get you straight to your money management. Forget the fancy features, these are the straight-to-the-point moves that will save you clicks every single day. Money with Wings Quick Balance Check and Notifications. Let's start with the one I use the most, checking my balance. iOS users, have you added the Monzo widget to your home screen or Today view? I didn't bother for ages, thinking it was just extra clutter, but being able to swipe and see my main balance and my next committed spending instantly without opening the app is huge. It takes less than 2 seconds. A hidden gem, did you know you can customize how much Monzo pings you? I turned off the standard money in and money out notifications from the main account, but I left on the spending on card and left to spend ones. This keeps my lock screen clean, but I get that essential real-time alert if my card is used, and a proactive heads-up if my budget is running low. Rocket Instant Actions on your home screen. This next one is a lifesaver when I'm standing at a register or trying to pay a friend quickly. Long press / haptic touch shortcut. If you long press the Monzo app icon on your phone's home screen, you get a quick menu. The 2 options I use constantly are pay someone and move money. It completely bypasses the security screen and the home feed, taking me straight to the transfer screen. If you're using this for a frequent payment, Monzo's system usually has the last person you paid right at the top, making it lightning fast. The power of search. Instead of scrolling endlessly through my transactions to find one from 3 months ago, I just use the search bar at the top of the home screen. I don't use it for names, I use it for categories and amounts. For example, I'll search transport to see my spending for the month, or £150 to find that one specific large payment instantly. It's much faster than trying to scroll through the statement. Lock making use of pots for day-to-day. I used to think of pots just for long-term savings, but I actually use them for instant budget control. The freeze button is a safety net. I have a buffer pot. It's my emergency fund. I keep that pot frozen 24/7. This means if I'm having a bad day and impulsively try to move money from it to my main account, Monzo forces me to take the extra 2 seconds to unfreeze it first. That tiny friction has saved me from pointless impulse spends multiple times. The Pay from Pot shortcut. If I'm paying a utility bill that comes out of my bills pot, I don't wait for the payment to fail on my main account. I open the Monzo app, go to the bills pot, and use the Pay from Pot option. This feature lets me manually allocate a specific transaction, like a large standing order or a scheduled bill, to be paid directly from that pot. It's great for managing scheduled payments that aren't direct debits. Globe with Meridian's quick freeze and unfreeze. Finally, what happens when I lose my card or suspect fraud? I need to act now. The fastest way to freeze, forget navigating to the card tab. If you're on the home screen, just tap on your Monzo card image. It instantly takes you to the card management screen, and the freeze button is front and center. I can freeze and unfreeze my card in literally 3 taps, which is a massive relief if I just misplaced it under the sofa. These little shortcuts, the widgets, the long press menu, the fast search, and the instant freeze, are what make Monzo efficient for me. They turn what could be a multi-step process into a single, seamless action. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.